Amber alert. Amber alert. Amber alert, guys. This is an EAS. That might have failed somehow. That one is not here. That's kind of scared me when I heard that brought 300 go off. This is my first child abduction ever recorded. It did go on TV.
Plate number. The destination of the vehicle is unknown at this time. The child, law enforcement has determined that
KLOVE
has been abducted and the life of the child is in danger. An Amber Alert is here is specific information regarding the Amber Alert. The child was abducted on January 30th at 12:40 p.m. from Jefferson, Iowa. The suspect vehicle used in this abduction was a black 2015 Toyota Tacoma bearing the following Iowa license plate number. DFV2 to the destination of the vehicle is unknown at this time. The child is
KZZ52
Repeating, the suspect vehicle used in this abduction was a black 2015 Toyota
EAS is
Tacoma
in the
bearing
wall.
the following Iowa
I
license
can't
plate
KZZ.
number. DFV2.
Merton.com. I win.
This time,
Down next Wednesday.
abductors should be considered dangerous. To report information concerning the abduction of this child, dial 911. Media. For complete information regarding this Amber Alert, please visit the Amber Alert Iowa.